for the enamel translucency. Okay, so this is the Lisi ceramic. So now it's enamel apply a specific design for the body and all the way inside here. So I trying to close the interproximal contact. Accurately. So this put together. This preparation is of gingiva. We recreated the tissue, tooth contour. And then here just a little bit add with the dentin. Okay, now same thing the other side with the lateral. Overlay with the translucency like this. To go through that bone. Okay, now it's canine. It was bulkier, bulky prep, so I can push it. So it will be coping, very subtle enamel, and with the translucency. Create a contour. You see they're already wide. So we're trying to decrease the size of the tooth from the lobe design from here. Okay. So you add here. Okay, same as the other side too. Okay, just build up predictably. So as you can see my build up with the roots and dimension, the little issue is here is lack of room. Now is a 4/10 millimeters, okay? So I cannot move more. Well, let's pretend about the roots and here's the dimension. So you all the time look at it with the same line, all right? Same lobe direction. So that one is the indicated about the tooth design. Same as the lateral, same as the shape, same as small root, there's a big root. Same things here, okay? Here too, right? Alright, that's the smile design. And beside that, we have to really care about this occlusion because not many people care about the occlusion. The aspect is very important. This one is a guide. This occlusion hitting here. So that indicated with the incisor length together, incisor thickness, and here is the cusp. Okay, so that one is true. Then you can make the open spaces between two. It looks like more natural looking. That's what the problem is. What I do here, I like to show you the final airport technique, the final contour, and then put a contact, and then finish it. And then here's the contact line, and this one is the decrease the width between from here to there. Okay. And this, like this. So here is the low, and then make your incisor third, make it a little thicker. Then we can make this better with the contact as well. Same thing here. Compared to the lower, it's totally different. Now this, you can make it better. Make it maximum contact. And this. And then you can make another surface texture. Alright, it's good alignment. This is what I'm looking for the usually. All the time, trying to get the contour as close as possible. Right? So same thing here. Whenever you see this, you put these two, you put it. It's not too late. Whenever you make it slowly looking, so then you can move to this line angle from the lingual side. Yes? Here. Here, so whenever I measure it, choose if we have room, then I can grind it. Make it a little more flat compared to other side. Okay? Alright. And here, that's good. And here too. And then we move to the low. Same. Yes. Move it. So you have to see the contour of the tooth whenever you make this. And also it's imperative the mounting, which is we did with the dental articulation. You see the flat lower. This is the problem. All the time you have to look at it all flat. So whenever they're mounting, you see the flat? And so you have to look at it. That means that everything's flat, so they must go out all over the place. It's like clouds. Make sense? So you have to move. So whatever you're hitting, so movements for them. Then not only then we can finish the final, the restorations like this, right? Now, I can put these little tints of the contour, the silicone, alright, the finer, make the same symmetry as possible, 8 and 9. So, to me it's a little bit wider, so you can decrease the insert, not into proximal contact, right? Here, and after you decrease it, move it to the distal area, like this. Right, so whenever you see this little decrease. Okay, same as the other lower, right? Okay. I do not have to put too much characteristics of the facial surface texture because it's all flat. Right, so this one. And staining is very simple. This is based on the 1 and 2. So you put just little sort of stain and glazing, that's about it. And same as here. Finish them up. Because in the proximal here, contact. Okay, that's your benefit. Actually, it's a lot of patients saw the my educational video, you want to do high-end cosmetic restorations, you have to follow all the time this direction regardless any kind of silver gingival tissue here. Look at this. So the issue is the hairs is sticking out. The other issue is the silver gingival. So you have to cut a little bit off and then you have to match it just like that. Just like tissue. Okay? Same as the other side. And then you can get rid of the black triangle and then finish it. The final restorations. You see the lobe direction? Okay, and static. Alright, the canine. Same thing. So trying to make the in between the contour not too bulky, not too flat compared to premolar and lateral. For the incisor height as well. Okay, the grinding. Same as here. Right, same as last one. Anyway, thanks for watching my Patreon people. So here. Alright, and talk to you soon. So this is after final glazing, which is the specifically designed about the lobe and texture. So using the jeweler, the porcelain furnace is really predictable. The color, everything details. So I loved doing this. Okay, so here's his finals. So huge space, and then finish the 620 cosmetic restorations. This is the finals. Okay, thanks for watching. And here is all spare dye, which we make the good emulsive profile with check everything. Nice matte design. Alright, that's good. Sent to Virginia. That's nice. You see? Alright.